Aloha, I'm Chef Ryan Covert and welcome to KTA Kitchens. Today I'm going to show you a jazzed up shrimp cocktail. It's shrimp that has been poached in Guinness. So let's get started with the poaching liquid. What we have here is 4 Guinness beers, 6 cloves of garlic, 3 tablespoons of Old Bay seasoning, and 2 pounds of shrimp. What we want to do is pour the beer into your pot. And it's better to have warm beer rather than cold beer because it will boil quicker. Add your garlic and then your Old Bay seasoning. Give it a little stir, and then we're going to bring it onto the stove and bring it to a boil. Now, a trick to have your water boil quicker for your poaching liquid is to keep it covered. So let's uncover it. You see how it's boiling already. Now it's time to add the shrimp. Be careful, you don't want to have this pour and get yourself burned. So gently add your shrimp into the poaching liquid. And then we're going to just turn the heat down to like medium to have a nice little simmer. This is going to cook about, say, 3 to 4 minutes until the shrimp are done. In the meantime, we're going to prepare our Guinness ice bath. To make the ice bath, this is what we need to do. We have 2 Guinness beers, and it's useful to have them cold because it adds to the ice. We have 4 cups of ice and then 2 tablespoons of Old Bay seasoning. So just add your beer to your ice. What we're doing here, we're actually making a marinade for the shrimp. So once the shrimp are done poaching, they're going to sit in this marinade for about an hour. Give it a little stir to mix in all the Old Bay seasoning with the Guinness. The shrimp have been cooking for about 4 minutes and they're done. So now we need to drain them. So we're just gonna pour this into the colander in the sink. And then we're gonna bring the shrimp over into the nice ice bath. This is gonna allow the shrimp to stop cooking and also marinate in the liquid. So just put it in with your tongs and get the shrimp all on the ice. And what we're going to do is just cover this and place it into the refrigerator for about an hour. Well, while the shrimp are poaching, let's work on our dill mustard sauce. What we have here, we have 8 ounces of sour cream. We have 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. We have 1 tablespoon yellow mustard, 1 tablespoon prepared horseradish, and 1 tablespoon of fresh dill. So to make the sauce, what you're going to do is add all your ingredients to a bowl. We have the sour cream, we have the Dijon mustard, the yellow mustard, the horseradish, and then the dill. And all you're going to do is give it a mix. Probably easier with a whisk. Incorporate it all together until it's nicely mixed. And once that's done, we're gonna place this in the refrigerator until the shrimp are done. I'd recommend pairing this shrimp dish with a Guinness. I'm Chef Ryan Covert, and thank you for joining me at KTA Kitchens. Let's give this shrimp a shot. You have to try this, it's delicious.